Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. So I did my first ever tutorial on makeup. So this is the final look. It's soft, glamorous. So now we're going to blow dry my hair. So I was really excited. Last year, Amika had contacted me. They had loved my page on Instagram. By the way, check it out, Blankita_Styles. And they said, you know what, we're really interested. We love your work and we would love to send you out some stuff so you can try it. And I thought like I was just gonna get like 2-3 products, and they just blew me away and sent me a box filled with so many products. And the biggest surprise of all is that when my boyfriend actually decided to open it while I was with a client, he was like, I want to see. They open it and I see this orangey box, and by the side I thought it was a blow dryer, and I was like, wow, that's so wicked that they're sending me a blow dryer, because I know that their products are amazing, but they sent me their kit for hair, the chameleon. So thank you so much, Amika, for sending me this and giving it to me. And I'm so sorry it took long to get back and like do a video, but here it is and here I am, and I'm super excited. And I haven't used it because I said, you know what, I'm only gonna use it when I do a video. So I kept that for you guys. So now what's great is that I'm gonna blow dry my hair. As you can tell, I have bleach blonde hair, and it's like a silvery, pearly, beigey color. It's a really hard color to achieve. That's like a whole discussion and video on its own. And if you guys have questions for me, feel free to leave it, and I'm going to create a video and give you guys tutorials on how to take care of bleach platinum hair, because let me tell you, it's a job and a half. So if you want to do it, you got to put the back work into it. So let's see this. Now, this is from Amika. I love the products. I love the quality of their ingredients. They smell amazing and they work divine. Like hair masks, Amika, Soul Food, and The Cure, which is a new one, hands down, like the best. So this one is called the Brooklyn Bombshell. Okay, can I just like get a minute to tell you how much I love New York and Brooklyn? Last year, I went with my best friend and we walked on the Brooklyn Bridge, and it was something that I've been wanting to do for so long, and I got to do it. So it's really cool that Amika sent me this, because I have this love for NYC, like it's in my heart, so thank you. So now I would become a Brooklyn Bombshell. So it's a blowout spray. So basically, just like any spray, you're just gonna damp it on everywhere from roots to end. You don't wanna overdo it. You just wanna create a nice little mist. Smells yummy. And this is the Soothing Balm. This one, you can also put it in your hair, like kind of like a or like a leave-in, yeah, pretty much like a leave-in to help the hair when it's dry and delicate like mine. So I'm gonna just apply that, and I always focus more on ends down. It's a little bit harder because I have short hair to show you exactly what I'm doing, but basically any product. And I love the texture, by the way. It's very lotiony, so it's not heavy at all. And the smell, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so fresh. So mid-length down, here I got. So that's wonderful. This is the Veleteen Dream. So it's a soothing, smoothing balm, and the Brooklyn Bombshell, which is the blowout spray. Let's see what it does. Now, separations. I have short hair right now, and it was shorter, and it's much harder to blow out short hair than it is longer hair. But my separations pretty much have stayed the same. So I always go, let's say, from the top of my ear, and I try to meet myself halfway to the back. So kind of something like this that I can do. And usually that you want to separate in two, because then you'll do half of one hair and then half of the other one. Because a lot of people have hard time blowing out the hair, and a lot of the time it's because they're not really separating the hair, so it just makes it more frizzier and longer and more frustrating to do it. Now for short hair, depending on how short your hair is, you're gonna have to go with a different brush. I like the ceramic brush. This is a Sam Vila brush. It's amazing. I like this thickness of it for my hair. There you go, you see it, Sam Vila. For my hair, I find it's great, but if obviously it was shorter, I would use the smaller brush. And I'm using my BaBylissPRO Volare, made in Italy, which is really hot. And one thing before I start blow drying, you never wanna stick your hair like that. If you do it like really fast, but try to avoid sticking your hair. The trick is in this, the hand movement, and making sure you're comfortable with the position of your arms too. So now it's much harder, like I said. If I had longer hair, it'd be easier because I would take this part and I would just blow dry, like horizontal to me. But now I'm gonna be blow drying more down because my hair is shorter. So I go under, and here you go. That's one side. Go here in the back. And now, since I finished that, I'm gonna take a section across my head. Take one side, half of it. And when I'm ready, I'll do the same thing to the other side until I reach the top of my head. And that's same on the other side. Another section. And the importance of a blow dryer is really super important. It does a huge difference on how fast your hair dries. And it actually, even though it's a stronger blow dryer, but when you use it correctly, it can damage your hair less because you're going over the hair less times and it's drying faster. So like I try to keep it now going downwards, and then you see like it just brings out a beautiful shine in the hair as well with the products. And let me tell you, my hair is pretty like, not rough, but obviously it's been bleached, but with these products, it's going much more smoothly than I have done before. So I'm happy, I love it. Almost done. And we have the top here. So then this back, I'm gonna try to like blow dry it. One piece. And let's see. And this is how you do a blow dry. So this is a very simple blow dry. I've put it more down because I want to keep my ends rather straight to create length for the bob that I have. Like I said, if my hair would be a little bit longer, I would have done the same separations, but instead of bringing it down, I probably would have brought it more outwards, and then I would have curled the ends with my brush, always moving continuously your brush with your hand. That's the key. That's why I wanted to show the process of how it's like. It took me about 25 minutes to blow dry my hair with an excellent blow dryer, because if it would have been a regular pharmacy or non-professional blow dryer, it probably would have taken me at least 40 minutes, especially considering that my hair is still bleached and processed, so it's a bit tougher to get through the ends. But I hope you enjoy this, and don't forget to stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to be opening the chameleon. I'm gonna choose which barrel I'm gonna use. I can't wait to show you.